Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have 3 Dollar Tree crafts for you. These 3 crafts are perfect for the spring and summer months, and they are affordable and super easy. They're farmhouse inspired, giving that vintage antique look, and I think you're going to love them. If you love Dollar Tree crafts, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more Dollar Tree crafts from me in the future, let me know in the comments below, and remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. So stay tuned, follow along, and let's see what I do with these Dollar Tree crafts. Alright, so for my first Dollar Tree DIY, I made a DIY terrarium. I purchased a plastic terrarium from the Dollar Tree Twine, a succulent from Walmart, and Dollar Tree potting soil. I removed the succulent from the pot and loosened the roots and filled the terrarium with the Dollar Tree potting soil and added the succulent. It was a little tricky to get inside the terrarium, but I managed to with my fingers and a lot of patience. I gave the succulent a little bit of water and I hung it with the twine in my window in my laundry room where there was tons of light. Alright, so for my next Dollar Tree DIY, I made lavender potted plants, and I basically bought Terra Cotta pots that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I used some chalk paint and Dollar Tree potting soil. I took the chalk paint and lightly brushed it over the Terra Cotta pots and never really bothered with the inside because I didn't feel the need to do the inside because it'd be filled with dirt and the lavender plant. And plus I didn't want the paint to get into the soil. After my pots dried for about a couple hours, I removed the lavender plant from the larger pot and split it into 3 sections and put it right inside the Terra Cotta pots and filled it with a little bit more potting soil. I think this came out really pretty and would make an excellent end of the year teacher gift. Alright, so for my last and final DIY, you're going to need a tin silver tray, some burlap ribbon, vinegar, old rags, and a welcome sign. You can purchase this from the Dollar Tree or simply make one. You're going to drench your rags in the vinegar, and you're going to cover your tin with the vinegar rags and let it sit overnight for 24 hours. Go ahead and remove your rags and lightly buff out any of the residue and use a sandy block just to kind of sand it to give it a nice patina look and makes that vintage feel. Now take your burlap, make a bow, and hot glue it to the top of the serving tray. Finally, you're going to add your welcome sign right to the tray. I made one on my Cricut, but I did see signs at the Dollar Tree that you can simply cut out and put right on there. Make sure you smooth it out, and then I used Dollar Tree double-sided tape and attached it to my door. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 summer Dollar Tree farmhouse vintage inspired crafts. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me, and I'll talk to you guys real soon.